Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title of today's video, I am going to be not showing you this amazing makeup look, unfortunately, but if you do want to see that, you can check it out on my Instagram. I made a little mini tutorial there, but I will be showing you guys how I refresh my straightened hair in the hotter months. Okay, this works for basically when it's hot outside or humid outside. A technique you can use for when you want to touch up your hair without adding so much heat and potentially damaging your hair. If you guys want to see that, just keep on watching. So if you guys have been with me for a while, you would know that I have made a video like this in the past where I show you guys how I refresh my straight hair within like the warmer months, the spring, summer months, without having any heat damage or anything like that. I just figured I'd remake the video to keep it fresh, keep it updated, keep you guys in the loop, and show you guys how I do it to this day. So let's get started. So first, just like I mentioned in the last video, I think the last video I filmed in like 2019, I still use it to this day. My trusty handy dandy Revlon one-step hairdryer, one styler, something like that. It is the brush version. They have one that's like a round brush where you twist and stuff. I have that too, but this one is my fave. This is my ride or die. I love this one. Okay, let's basically get into it. So this is my hair right now. Looks pretty gross. I put some like heatless curls in it the other day and they look really, I'm not gonna lie, these curls are cute, but the root of this hair is not cute, so I'm going to basically try to straighten that out and basically try to get rid of these little curls at the end. If it stays wavy, I'm fine with that. I don't really care for like if it's wavy and stuff, as long as it looks like I kind of purposely did it that way and doesn't look like, well, this like half whatever and half whatever. And the top, I put some oil on it the other day, and I think I might put I put a little too much, but either way, blow drying usually helps fix almost everything that's wrong with your hair. So I'm gonna section it off. I'm gonna section it out. Not too many sections because you don't really need too many sectioned out. But if you really want to get a good close blow dry, yeah, it really helps if you section your hair out. I'm just gonna use my little clips, and as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys my root to show you guys what I'm talking about with the whole like it's wiggly, like my curls are trying to come through, trying to revert back. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like poofy. Yeah, I don't know if you just saw that, but either way, it feels crazy, so I know it must look it. The only thing I use really product-wise is the Chi Iron Guard as my heat protectant. I used to use also the little silk infusion. Was that what it's called? I forgot what it's called. The little silver bottle, but they have it in a bigger size. I just never got the bigger size, and then I ran out of the little bottle, and then I never bought it back because it's like expensive. So I just used the Chi Iron Guard. But if you have the silk, is it silk infusion? I think so. The Chi silk infusion little like oil, use that for sure. That one was really good, I remember that. But yeah, so I just spray this and then brush it through. Also, a tip for blow drying your hair, I've noticed it works better if you do it when your hair is dry. Okay, hold on, let me close that drawer, it's gonna kill me. Hold on. For example, say you got out the shower and you had like a shower cap on and your straight hair in the shower cap. You know, the mist from the shower, or like your scalp sweating from just being under a shower cap in a hot shower, whatever happens to where your hair gets a little wet or a little damp or a little whatever, and it's like kind of wet, you could feel. I've noticed blow drying, it works better once you let that dry and it gets like wiggly, and then you do it instead of trying to do it while it's wet. I don't know, I just noticed it worked better. Just a tip, just something I remembered. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put this on high heat and blow through this, and see, there's a Okay, so I don't even know how long that was. I feel like that was probably maybe a minute. And you see how straight it already got? Just from a minute. Not even anything crazy. Again, it's my favorite method to re-straighten my hair. And you see, even the root is nice and flat now. As long as you do it nice and slow and you let it actually focus on the points that especially need attention, it usually works out nicely for you. So let's move on. That's how hot this thing gets. I remember mentioning in my last video that I made about re-straightening your hair with a blow dryer. Don't underestimate the blow dryer, thinking, oh, I'm using a blow dryer, it's not gonna be as hot as it would be if I'm using a straightener. Like, no, bye. This blow dryer is hot as shit. So now I did one side of my head. And now I just have to move on to the sun. Jeez. Okay, looks like I am done with my hair. This is how it came out. Again, it is a little oily because I put oil in it, which I hate, but my hair should absorb it eventually. Came out pretty good. Actually better than I thought it would. I haven't done this in a couple days, so that's why my hair looks super crazy before. I've been just like putting my hair in a ponytail and just wearing it like that, but wow, my hair looks so good. Okay, straight hair Tiani. The only thing about this hair technique, again, is that you really can't get the roots, get to the like little edge pieces as you would with a flat iron. So if you want to take a flat iron and just touch up these pieces right here, you can. I don't really care for my hair being super straight if I know I wear my hair curly most of the year anyway. The rare times that it is straight, it's just like whatever the first day is the first day, enjoy it. And then after that, however it starts looking is how it starts looking, because I couldn't care less. I'm not damaging my curls extensively, okay? So yeah, this is like the most I'm willing to do. Maybe I'll do re-straighten rarely, but I usually just don't. I usually don't because this works out for me. So I stick to what works, what's simple, what's quick, what's easy. This is the easiest thing too. It's easy, it's quick. Again, this brush got really hot, and I think it didn't help that I had oil in my hair already. Like, I have oil in it right now, which is annoying. So it keeps like clumping like that, but it's fine. So the oil kind of made it feel hotter than it would be if there was no oil. So that's another thing where it's like, I'm grateful I'm using a blow dryer instead of a flat iron, because that flat iron would take that oil that's in my hair and burn it right the hell up. Not the saying that this probably didn't, it just did it to a lesser extent, I'm assuming. I don't get that flat iron smell whenever I use a blow dryer. It's mostly just like blow drying smell, whatever that is. But yeah, I guess that's it. The hair is done, it's straight. Hopefully you guys found this video useful. Hopefully you guys use it yourself on your hair, and let me know how it works. Let me know if you guys like this little summer spring technique for straight hair, especially for my girls that like their curls, okay? Or even if you don't have curls and you just don't want your hair super damaged from heat, you know, nice really high blow dryer will do the trick, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my post notifications to get notified for the next video that comes out, and I'll see you guys later.